Harvesting Jicama. Grown in a pot. It's pretty cool. All right, soil fam. So what we have here is the yucca, jicama, not yucca. It's jicama. I knew that. I let this go to seed. We got these seeds from GT Junior. Grows it, Alaska, and it grows. It's a tuber like a potato. So I'm gonna show you what the seeds look like because I let it go to seed, which the pods would look like this, and I let them dry out so that we can get seeds to grow more. So let's see if I can see the seed in there. The seeds are poisonous, so you, oh man, oh, so you don't want to ingest these, or you don't want your animals to get to them either. So I got this like all the way back here, the back of our property, where the dogs can't get to them. So see that seed? Yeah, that's gonna make for jicama next year. So we're gonna harvest these and see what they look like. They say that they are great raw or fried. So let's get into this and see. I'm gonna keep these seeds. I have a pocket full. Of seeds. So let's see what's in this thing. Did we get any? Whoa, whoa, man, look at that. That's pretty cool. I didn't think anything was down here. I keep coming out here like feeling around here and I don't feel anything, but they grow deep. Wow. So let's get the rest out of here. And I got them in a pot. See if we got any more, because I'm not sure if anything else will grow. So that's a nice size tuber. We're gonna pull the rest of them up. I think I only dropped like 3 or 4 seeds. And this is our first time growing this. Yo! Wow, they grow deep too, y'all. And these are nice size. You're gonna have to see what these are like. So I think it's somewhat like a tropical potato. So, but they so easy to grow. I just put them back here. They flower. My goodness. The flower was beautiful. These things are super deep. So I'm gonna have to dig in here and see if we got any more, because I'm not sure if anything else will grow around in here. What is my husband over there doing? I think that's it. But hey, that means plant more seeds next year. All right, fam. With that being said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified each and every time we drop new videos. Until next time, y'all. Peace.